Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to manually remove Mozilla Firefox completely. Click Start button, click Control panel. Click Programs and Features. Click Mozilla Firefox, then uninstall. Click Uninstall. Click Finish. Click Mozilla Maintenance Service, then uninstall. Type folder options. Click Folder Options, click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files and Folders. Open My Computer, click C Drive. Click Users. Click your username. Click App Data. Click Local Folder. Delete Mozilla folder. Open Local Low folder. Delete Mozilla folder. Open Roaming folder. Delete Mozilla folder. Type regedit in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Current User. Click Software. Delete Mozilla and Mozilla plugins folder. Click Local Machine. Click Software. Delete Mozilla and Mozilla.org folder. Delete Mozilla plugins folder. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.